Hey guys, it's our cool guy here. It just arrived moments ago in this box. I never told you about it, but I did order a PS3 Slim bundle. It has 7 games. So now we're about to do the opening of it, okay? Got my scissors right here. So let's get started. Let's see.
Alright guys, we're gonna do this. It's gonna be super fun. And my name is Amia. And here's my uncle.
Let's go over here.
You think it would be okay if you like set it up like that? Huh? Maybe.
Let's clip this right here. Also. Now let's go to the other side.
Clip it.
Let's see.
Alright guys, don't use scissors.
Clip it.
You might cut yourself.
Okay. Let's see now. Let's grab right here. Go with our hands like that. Okay. There's some tape there, so we can take the scissors again. And goes through here. Do that. There we go. Voila. First, okay. Of course they put double tape, so it's no biggie. See?
Blah, 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 blah.
It's always a venture.
Blah, 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 blah.
Let's see. Okay, this part, it's...
Yeah. On the corners, it's like double tape on the corners.
I'm gonna do this. Good. Okay, this part. You know, let me close the scissors real quick. Cut it down, because I can do better in my hands with this part at this point. Let's see.
Me too.
Okay, of course, tape right here. I got it. Let's see. Okay.
You see?
Hey, sorry if the video's a little shaky, okay? I'm filming with my selfie stick for the first time, this opening, so, you know, please hang on there. Okay, got it? Great. Now, let's see the other side. There's one more piece. Let's turn it around. Let's see. Check it there, 680. Maybe that's the number package. This was 680 package. I thought it would be 2 because of games, but they put it like in a bigger box. That's cool though.
Yeah.
It's just one less box to open. And it'll be cool.
Yeah. I'm sorry guys, you can't use scissors.
Now most people would skip this, but I'm not skipping. I want you to see this. What our venture is to open while you're trying to film. Oh, for you know, that little cute girl there, that's my niece Amia. She's helping me with this.
It's so hard. Like, oh my gosh. Like it's.
There we go. We got it.
Yeah.
Now
so
let's sit down. We gotta be careful, okay?
Yeah.
Finally, we can.
Oh, it's a little bit cheap right here.
Okay, it's no biggie. Whoa.
Oh.
Almost stepping over there. There we got it.
There we go.
Now, there's
Just
of course one more. Okay.
Yep, we're done.
Hold on.
Alright guys, you ready to see this?
Okay,
1,
let's
2, 3.
let's do this.
Oh!
Okay. First I'm gonna show you the games, okay?
Alright.
Okay, the first game is Call of Duty Ghost. Wow. The back. Okay.
And this game is cool.
Okay. Next one, Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare. Next game is Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Awesome. Next is not Call of Duty. This one is Borderlands the pre-sequel. Next one is Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Awesome. Best-selling franchise history is back. Next one is Call of Duty Black Ops. Now this is the first Call of Duty.
Ooh, Black Ops 3. And guys, this one is Black Ops 3.
Yep. Actually, this is not Black Ops. What? This is Battlefield 3.
Ooh, Battlefield 3.
As you see from the price, it was $59.99. They had it on sale, $19.99. But I bought this in a bundle. Pretty good price.
Guys, see this one, guys?
Okay, one more game, okay? We have here Virtual Tennis 3.
Ooh. And guys, guess what? He has a big
It looks like it looks like my girl Venus or Serena.
Alright.
That's
guys,
cool.
Look at he got a red cool remote control.
Now this is a wireless controller. Pretty cool and everything.
And look at, and you have these cord.
Just a moment, okay? Here's the back part. Let's stand to the side.
And now talk about this. And this is a cool.
This. Let's see. This is actually the. Let's see which one. This is the USB cord charging.
Yeah. So you can charge
the controller.
The controller so it don't die.
You put the small part, which is, let's see, this one right here in front. You see, in the controller, and the other part you put in the PS3, and it charges. Next, we have the. Looks like, yes, the power cord. Yes, this is indeed the power cord. Now, this is a 2-prong. One's, so it's good though. Now, this one is the HDMI cord right here. Wow. See? Now let's get to what we all been waiting for. The PS3. Hold on, Mia. Hold on. Now. The PS3 Slim. Now this is 160 gigabytes. Remove the box. Just take the box off and set it on the floor. Thank you. Now let's take off the
wrapping paper.
Yes. Hold on. Let's see. Okay.
Oh, you flip it over.
I'm gonna hold it and just unwrap it. There we go. Here we are. The PS3 Slim for you.
It makes me so happy. And
see? Go to the back.
Oh, hey guys. You know what these are?
The HDMI cord. It has the Ethernet cord and this cord, and as well as the power. We have the system here and the 2 USBs. Well, that's it. I'm going to end this video now while Amia plays in a bubble wrap. It came in. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that bell so you know when.
And I hope you subscribe for more videos.
So you know when new videos is uploaded.